Hello everybody, today I would like to show you how to send silent messages on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open your Instagram app and make sure your Instagram is up to date and tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner. And now open the conversation. And to send the silent messages, tap on the text input box and type @silent. Send messages without a notification. You can type add symbol in the text entry field and then tap the silent shortcut above the text entry field. You can also type the full phrase @silent to activate silent messages and leave a space, and after add silent you can type your messages and send to the recipient, and the person will not get notified about the messages. So these are the steps to send silent messages, and thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming uploads.